This is sick. Thanks for tuning in. This is the second video of kind of a two-part series of me yarning and riding, but also kind of reviewing Clip It In for the first time. Looks like I go down Harry Graham Battle. Sounds pretty cool. And it connects onto the drift downhill for a little bit, and then lost and found. Left. Oh, which one is it? I'm gonna assume it's this one. Whoa. Normally I'd be okay with that, but clipping in. Oh, I can roll down that, right? And then what? Tight left. Oh, still okay. Yeah, nice, Charlie. I mean, it made it look difficult, but if I didn't put a foot down, does it mean I nailed it? Oh, speaking about nailing stuff, is my helmet done up? Yes, it is. Oh, signs. Very thankful for that. Because I would have gone left. Sweet, so lost and found's this way. Thank you to the person who makes signs. You're a legend. It's apparently 30 k's an hour. How do you do that fast? That means no assistance from the Bosch. Oh. Oh, which way? This way? This is part one. Didn't say an arrow though. Oh, this looks pretty worn. I guess this is one of the right ways. Oh man, this is cool. Yo! Oh! Oh, this looks fast. Oh! I'm assuming there might be a jump here. Huh? Oh, tight right. This is sick. Oh, big smiles, man. Mad. That was so cool. Whoop! Looks like some people have hit that. Oh, is that a gap? I think it is. Oh, I should just so bright, man. If that was a gap, I should have just hit that. Didn't know it was on the other side though. Could have been bad. Wouldn't mind doing that again. But dude, what is that? Guessing this is probably part two. How good's mountain biking? I'm assuming this is lost and found part two. Oh yeah, I can actually see the sign. Thanks again, legend who makes signs. Could have put an arrow up the top there. It's just some feedback, but I mean, I won't complain because I'm not making any signs, am I? Clipping in, liking it. Liking the clip-ins. Big fan. Alright, part two. We are. Yes, this is cool.
quite right. Oh no! Didn't expect that. I'm okay though. I mean, side bum's a bit sore. Hopefully nothing broke. Oh, it's on the derailleur side. She's pretty tough, this thing. Oh, I guess that's a new scratch. Alright. I was gonna like calm down and then I didn't realise this was a ditch. So I skipped that on purpose, but now I know why the bridge is there. That was cool though. What a fun run. Lost and found. Thank you, trial builders. Legends. That is why you wear knee pads. That knee took all that force of that stack then. None of it on my elbow. And as a result, I'm pretty... Actually, well, I mean, side bump took a hit. It's a little bit sore, but it's mountain biking for you. Here we go. The slog up. Just joking, on an e-bike, it's not a slog at all. It's quite pleasant. A few more burnouts. So now we're hitting up Jumpers track, and then we'll go Itchy, Scratchy and Frenchys and yeah, Italian job all the way down the bottom. And then off home. So just up here on the right it looks like. And still talking to myself. Got myself a company. What do they call that track back there? Jumpers track. Not a single jump. Alright, feet staying in the exact same position. How bloody good. And that's because I'm clipped in. Man, every time I've been through that, my foot's in the wrong spot. Rough as. Nice. This is why I wear clear lenses. I crashed in here once because I didn't see a rock. Wearing Oakley prisms. Great sunnies, but oh, at least I think, oh, they could have been on. Maybe they weren't those sunnies. Anyway, the point is, when she's dark, I need to see. And I mean, nothing better than some clear goggles when it's dark. Loving the ride. Oh my god, just saved it. I was just thinking too, I'll jump this rock back into the groove. Stop being the Gumby. Scrubs yet. Oh, pedal strike though. Oh. Normally I look at the view, but oh, I've got an afternoon I need to get busy with. Oh, she's tight. She's tight, Charlie boy. Question for the comments below: how do you stop chafe? Because I've tried everything that I can think of, and I still get a really sore, choked up butt. Where's the turn off here? Did I go past it? Oh no, there it is. Ride less? Is that how you don't get chafe? Because that's not a solution, riding less. I mean, most people I speak with just don't get it, and I do. Keep the flow, I suppose. I love how I just hit that now. Because this morning, I never hit that before in my life. And now it's just like... This spot's creepy ass. What are those things? Anyway, I'm following the sign. I'm going. I don't know what I'm hitting. I'll hit something different. I haven't really done before. So I've done this one to the right today. I've done Old Man's today. What's the next one? Something in the middle here, I guess. Oh yeah. Alright, this one. I don't really know what I'm in for. That bridge doesn't look too safe. Oh, tighty righty. Oh, I dropped. Oh, I could definitely hit that. Can't bother going back up there. Just have to take my word for it. Oh, clipped out, but I've twisted the ankle. Foot on the ground, it's all G. actually wanted to stop to save the bike then, but I was like, it's better to save yourself. How did I even do that? You okay, buddy? I think it's okay. How did I even like land on my feet then? Don't know. What the... That was not the best ending to Kira for my ride, but that's okay. Alright, summary. 3 hours of riding. 33 Ks. Elevation 103, that's 100% wrong. Oh wait, now 1,305 meters of elevation. Heart rate right now 165. I'm working. I'm unfit and I'm working. My knees are freaking sore. Guess I better give a quick summary of these shoes. Clipping in is definitely the way to go, isn't it? Here's my verdict. 100%. Without a doubt. There's some cons, but for the most part, like if you saw that last crash, I was able to pull out somehow and land on my feet, which is always the part I was scared of with clipping in. Man, this guy's got some trucks. Yeah, I figured if something, a crash like that, exactly like that happens, I'm sticking to the bike and I'm done for, but that's not a problemo. Look at this beast, who owns that?